What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me here, Golden Lion MM2. Today we're gonna be playing MM2. And as you can see, I put up a hat. Do you like my hat, guys? And I got this cool sword and also this cool ginger gun. Hi. That's just nothing. Got rejected. Got rejected. Oh, that's sad. Oh, that's a glitch. Bruh. Alright, let's go vote for the next one. Oh, this guy got a W. And I also got all this stuff, guys. The Sharky and orange here and all these, bruh. I got it. I got this here from Merle. But I got the ice one in a trade. Twin, I have to go. I'm sorry. I just burped. Hey, yo. Check this out, guys. I closed that. Now it's like this. Oh, I missed. Do you guys even know this trick? Like, oh gosh. I don't know how to do it. Alright. There we go. It's just like this, guys. Simple as heck. There we go. And boom. But they just fell. Fell for me. Hey, yo. Alright. Do you like my hat, guys? It's a white hat. Someone died here. Someone is dead. Someone is dead here. How did tiramisu cake join you? Who is this guy? I don't even know I add him. Let's go. I found something rarer than I expected, guys. I found a gun. Hey, no. Bro is the murderer. Guys, bro is the murderer. Clearly. Bro is clearly the murderer. So, check that. How did she even kill me there? That lag was not useful. Let's try this guy. Hi. Was this the guy who joined me? Are you should do? Let's see this, guys. Let's see if he answers yes. And what you gonna say? What you gonna say? What you gonna say? No, honestly. Oh. This is your reward IG. This is your reward IG. Let's trade. And just give him a turtle. Free. It's free. It's free. If you were sub, you could get a ice wing. Yeah, you guys should sub. If you want any godly, I got 3, so I can give you any of them. I can even give you this, which I'm obviously giving only for subs. Bruh. Cookie Monster. Log chopper. Yo, I want that log chopper. Come here, baby boy. Come here. Come here. Come here. Give me your chopper. Easy, bro. Glitch out. For real. FR. For real. Ooh. You. Ooh. Tikabak boom. Let's see what you're gonna give. Oh gosh, our first ad in the video, guys. Look, chopper. She's gonna give me. How about that? How about that now? How about now? How about now? Oh, we're the murderer, I think. Except, bruh, I'm obviously the murderer, guys. Check this out. I'm literally the murderer. You're not gonna believe this, but I'm the murderer. No way, I'm the murderer. I'm the murderer first. Right. Come here. Come here. And bro's now dead. Hey you. Hey you. Hey, you better be careful with that gun. Bro, better be careful with the gun. Bro needs to be careful with that gun. Be careful with the gun. Hey. Come on, come on. Oh, dang it. Come here. Oh, bro's dead. Bro is dead, guys. Hey, take that. I'm such a noob. My aim is so noob. My aim is so noob. My aim is so nooby. 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 That lag. I could just use the ice cream for this guy because it's so laggy. I can just like use the ice cream. So, what's up, brother? And just. Oh my god. How did that not hit? How did that not hit? If this guy is not sub. Hey you. Come here, baby boy. You have the worst aim in the world. He has the worst aim in the world. Oh, yo, chill. Chill. You have the worst aim in the world. Oh, yo. He's definitely on PC, so I need to be careful. I better be careful. He's on PC, guys, so he can definitely still hit me if I'm spam jumping. Alright, we better be careful, guys. We better be careful. Come here. Come here. Oh, God. Oh, no. How is he still alive? Oh, my. How is he still... How is that even possible? Oh, God. Even the spam jump, he still can hit me. He still can easily hit me. Oh, God. I need to get him. Oh, God. Dang it. How am I gonna hit this? How do I hit this guy? How do I hit him? Hello. Come here. Come here, my friend. Oh my god. I'm gonna rage, literally. He's such a... Bruh. You. PC user. Bro is too much for a PC user. No. Come here. Help you hear my voice. Check. Voice. Check. Nah, do they 8-7? Me? Yo. And you. Bruh. At least that was dead. Because of my cool hat. Bro be so like the murderer as crazy. If bro's the murderer, bro gonna be crazy with this. Hey. I'm going out of here. This is my slide. And boogie bam bam. Oh gosh. Who's the murderer? Who's the murderer, guys? I need to know. It's L. Bruh. What you call me, baby boy? What you call me? Call me an L? Because you're an W. Oh, bro, I'm gonna raise you up. Come here. I will kill you. Come here. Oh, come here, toilet. Oh, oh. Oh, this is a perfect spot. Here we go. Time to hide. Guys, this is the best spot to hide. The murderer cannot even find me because this room will smell. And if the murderer goes in, Boo just dies. That was really cool. That was cool. Wait, do you see that other island over there, guys? Do you see that island over there? Do you see that? Whoa! I didn't even realize there was an island there. I only realized it today. I mean, bro, what the? I'm see it. Stop your capping. Oh, real stop your cap. Come here, baby boy. Give me your gun. I need that. Trade me. Mommy! Mommy! Bruh. That is hilarious, so guys. Oh, come here. Come here. Let's go. Come here, let's go. Boom, 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 boom. 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 Bruh. I collected a lot. Why do I always get innocent? You know what? There, this door. There, this door. There, that door. Tear it down. Tear the door down. Hope bro ain't the murderer. Because I'm just the murderer. We have a lot of cash ready. I have so many money. I am a billionaire. Why is everything laggy, guys? When I hide here, no one's hiding here. But when I hide here, someone's hiding here. But when I hide here, there is no one hiding. Is bro holding the milk of animation? Bro is the milk. Bro is the ghost. Oh, yo, chill. Lol. Tikabak boom. I want to destroy this guy with a tikabak boom, bruh. Hey, yo. Sigma. Sigma. Oh. Alright. Was it you? Was it you who got the weapon on? It's not you. It's you. Oh, I bet this map. Bet. Bruh. Sit down, animation fast. I hate this map. I hate this map because I keep getting the worst rules. Like, what is this? And Nicholas is behind that. Bruh. Only 5 years old like you doesn't know Nicholas. Hey, nah. Howdy, bruh. Howdy, bruh. Howdy. You know you can climb this and be just invincible. Like this and tikaba boom, bro. Come here. Ooh. Come here. There. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. Come here, bro. Come here. 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 Hey, Jack. Hey, no, see, Cochino. Hey, yo. It's been a long day for being children. Come here. I'm literally gonna go in your head. I want your head. Tika ba, ba. Gimme, come here, come here, come here, come here. Oh, come here, come here, come here. Come here, come here, tika ba. Tika boo, come here. Gimme. This is my slide, not yours. 3, 2, 1. How about I do the sit animation in the same time? Oh my god, that was insane. The glitch was insane. Glitch busted. Homework. What is my boy doing here? I want your head. I want your head. Bro, I'm literally going inside. I'm standing right inside. You can do it. Okay. You can do it, or else I will be there and about you guys won the game first time. Why did it take so long? Only kill me. Me is little. Me is elite. I want the elite. Can you trade me elite? I want elite. I want elite for free.
Yeah.
I hope I get all the galleys, bruh. Oh my god, the crazy bunny hop. Bunny hop.
Gusto niyo mag-like na namin ba?
Nga ba lang?
Who the
Tama yan na rin.
Who the hell was this? Brutus! Can I buy any ability here? What is going on, bro? Oh, bro! Oh my god! That was insane ninja skills. We're just gonna come big one. POV, you catch that one bug. POV, you catch that one bug. POV, you finally catch the one bug. No, I don't got enough. But dude, no, exploiter from me. LOL. Come here, big boy. Big boy. Hi, come here. Big boy. Big boy. Look at my shirt, guys. Is it you add here? Can you even read it? You add here. And look at my shirt. Awesome. And what flag is this? What flag is this, guys? I didn't know what this. I don't know what flag was that. Quest Explorer. Oh, that one. Oh god. I bet the murder is behind me. I bet the murder was that guy. Hey, nah, bro. Oh my god. No way, juke him. I juke him like that. That was insanely. Hey, bro, if you try to go here, I'm gonna juke you. Why 2? Because 3. Sheesh. I hope the murder doesn't take long. And the murder is not gonna show up. There's only 8 players here. Bro has not accepted my trade for 5 guys. Oh, this is easy. Wow, bro.
Laki.
Bundle. Bundle polishing. Bundle polishing. I bet I'm gonna find the gun. Oh my god. That dude is the murderer. That dude is the murderer. Why is bro so weird? What was going on with that Doge guy? Oh god dang. He was using a different knife in this thing out. Check this out. The best knife in the world. I bet this is the best. Come here, baby boy. Can I have next sight? Can I have next sight, please? Can I have next sight, please? Please. Bro, why do I keep getting innocent? The worst rule in the world. Hey, yo. Come here. I'm the sheriff. He's floating. He's a murderer. He's the murderer. He's floating. He's floating because if someone floats like that guy, he's a murderer like that. You miss. You miss. Sick. He did not even hit me. Right as he threw it. I'm a beautiful man. I'm a beautiful man. I'm a beautiful man. I'm a beautiful man. Holy man! I want that real badly. Alright, trade me that. Orange hair is good enough for winter. But that, what you gonna give? What you gonna give for this? It's bro too. Oh, bro's for the VI. I'm gonna hide the whole round. And no one's gonna know I hide. I hid the whole come on, big boy. Ah! Bro is the murderer. Murderer. Bro is the murderer. Bro is the murderer. Bro is the murderer. Murderer as murderer. Why so laggy? Why is everyone so... the ice wing. The terms of lag. Guys, it's so laggy. I think I'm gonna get disconnected. What just happened? Guys, did you feel the lag? Guys, did you feel the lag? Bro, just gonna sit down there. Bro, they're all laggy. They're so laggy, guys. Holy, oh my gosh. Oh my god.
May lugatas yung trabaho ko. Ano ba gina niya sa kamag? Pagkahan ako.
Bruh. Oh my god.
Dali pala to.
Sige. Yeah,
Bruh. I'm just gonna wait here, guys, until the murderer shows up. Tiramisu cake, join me? Bruh. I'm just gonna hide here, guys. There's like triple people die already. I'm just gonna hide in the bush. It's better.
Ang ni-share si Mama natin ang tanong siya yung play.
The best is guess. Oh, the sheriff's there. Guys, I'm eating right now. Bruh. Bro is not killed. Bro hacking? Is bro good? Is bro good? Why is bro laggy? This is my spot. This is where I hide. I swear, this guy was... He's a hacker. Look at that guy. He's good.
Okay, ikaw niya.
Asa ba? Asa? Asa sa ikaw niya? Asa na?
Holy moly!
Singko kang ikaw.
Ano ito? Ano ito? 5?
Don't yeah! Holy moly, what's that sound? Nah. Finally. Let's go. I'm gonna come. Finally, guys, we got a good role. Sheriff is best. I bet the murder's out there. I bet she the murderer. Who's the murderer? Oh no, not lag. I hate this. The lag is not possible. No, he's lagging. Everybody's lagging. Bro, it's so laggy, guys. I got the best rule, but I was wrong. Damn it, bro. Oh my god. I'm gonna rage. You know what? Because of how cringe these people are. Equipping the ice wing. Ice wing. Yeah. I'm gonna ikre rola. Okay, okay. Does my hat show up, guys? It does not. What? Upper!
Basta di ka na may problema, hindi problema. Una na tabi.
Oh God! Not another ad!
Ang guidance mo, tayo. So, ano mo tayo?
Ano ba?
Oh my God.
Nadugay na ako sa istorya kaya pumayat ako niya sa ano.
Ano sa nabi?
Ang maintenance office. Ma,
Bruh! The hitbox! Well, leave ASAP, guys. Leave the game. There's a whole hacker in the server. Hey, 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 hey. Yeah, what are we gonna play? What are we gonna play? Let's play this. 5v5 and 2 now. Go.
hindi nga may tabi. Ay, gabara. Sila mo gusto.
Bro. What? 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 Guys, ASAP. I got drink water.
Kadugay na sa medyo, no? Palapay. Gugal-gugal lang. Healthy siya.
Again. Let go. Yo. This is insane, guys. No, I just did that. No! My fan is so loud. Oh, sick. Enter this room now, you're dead. Oh my god! Oh my god! How did he escape that? And revenge. Revenge for me. Revenge for your life. I fell. I fell. I fell, guys. I got used to it at the game.
Ano sila?
Oh god. Good. Oh dang. Oh my god. Bro is invincible. Bruh. 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 Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm hiding. Alright guys. That's the that's the end of the video. Bye. See you in the next video. Bye bye. You better sub. You better sub. You better sub. You better subscribe. Alright. Bye. Hey.